Some more new tools. Get a free starter kit, EV charger. Huge clearance and the BOGOs, the buy one get one free deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing and hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, to start here, we got the Toro Recycler 60 volt 449. It's a nice deal they got going on for this one. A 60 volt, very solid platform to get into, very reliable. And these are new lower price, $89.99 down $1,000. So. And then this one's on clearance. This one's $329, down from $649. And then again, guys, I do make these videos, these clearance videos, because there's always going to be a clearance item that might be at your store, and then you can find it easier because you know what you're looking for. All right, so this one's $27. This is actually a pretty nice attachment. You got a tune-up kit here for $17, down from $34. This is motor specific. You got Husqvarna tune-up, so it's gonna be specific to that brand. $849. That's from $899. This is Generac GP 6500 gasoline single fuel generator portable. That's what it looks like right there. 6.9 gallon capacity, 3-year limited warranty. 6,500 running and 8,200 starting. All right, you got another attachment here. This one's $29.72, down from $119. And then you got some more axes here and Fiskars, 36-inch, $58. And then you got this other one, 55 down from $69.98. To apologize for the blurry image. That's all I had. Oh, that's how the camera got. 36-inch, 8-pound Fiskars. 47. They are all rubber, so really nice grips on these. 14-inch splitter, hatchet, $29. You got another one, $29.57. They're from $36.98. 4-pound club hammer. You got this pressure sprayer, 2-amp-hour battery, $74. Down from $149. You got vice grip Irwin, 8-inch end cutter, $10. And then some groove joints. You got 8-inch and 10-inch on these. So $10.77 and $8.97. Then you got some more blades. It says 42-inch blade. You got $20, down from $59. So 42-inch 3-in-1. More blades. Then you got Husqvarna multi-blade. $24. You got oscillating Rockwell. 3-year warranty, 72, down from 84. Oscillating tool, and then you got this Bosch bit set. This one's 13, down from 17.98. These bits are actually pretty good, so definitely check those out. Then you got some wood finish, red oak, low VOC, and then that's $21, down from 42. You got this heavy duty cable for towing, 20 feet towing cable, $11. And then you got this electric charger here on clearance. So electric vehicle, EV charger, $249 down from $499. That's actually a pretty good deal. And then of course you got the Tesla adapters and EV charging adapters there on clearance as well. So $27 up from $79.98. 1-ton chain hoist. I've seen this before, so it's been here quite a while. It does come with a nice case. And yes, guys, these are on clearance as well. These are the big generators. This is a $559 down from $699, and the price is gonna vary by store. Got this DeWalt for $335 down from $419, 4-gallon twin stack. Pretty nice gauges, easy to read. You got this 4-gallon. $199. From the metabos, you got everything on the other side. It is a twin stack as well. And then you got this pancake style, 2.5 gallon, $94. It is cordless, so it runs on V20 battery. And then you got this tank, so you can fill it up with compressed air or anything that 165 maximum PSI. $32 down from 65. That's pretty nice. And then you have these. These are all Bosch laser levels and measures. $59.99, $39.98, and $89.98 for the indoor laser level or distance measure. And you got red. These are red, and then the box does indicate the color. And then you got green there on the range, 65 feet. And then these are the measures. All right. So onto some DeWalts. They got $149 each. These are the Extreme 3/8 ratchet. And you got the drill driver kit, SDS, and then you got a circular saw kit, circular saw. If you guys don't know, you guys are able to charge these 12-volt batteries with your current 20 volts charger. So they are multi-volt chargers. Just to let you know, you got the Extreme 1/2 inch impact wrench, and then you got the 3/8 impact wrench there. You got the Flex, guys. This is the Flex 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw at clearance at $159. It's already sold out. That was a killer deal. Whoever got that, $149 for this one. Plus, pretty good deal as well. $27 down from 54. 10-piece socket set from Bosch. That's it right there. Pretty nice. It does come with an adapter for the impact driver. And then you got this power source for the with USB. $24 on for 49. It is not USB Type C. I did not see that there. 5 amp hour battery, 2-pack, $59. You got a cordless drill driver, $125 down from $179. Drill and impact driver. And then you got, looks like a 4-tool combo kit for $209 down from $299. And you got a Craftsman RP tool free when you buy a start kit with the Craftsman. These deals are valid on the 18th of this month. $319 for this deal. This is a 4-tool combo kit from the DeWalt's. You gotta buy one get one free. So you buy this oscillating tool for $159, get a free starter kit. That is the oscillating tool. It does come with the Star Lock Plus. You guys don't know, that is a very, very easy tool to use to change those blades. That's an example of the Star Lock right there with those blades. And that is a 4 amp hour battery that comes with that kit. And same thing with this, you buy that, get a free starter kit. So you buy the tool, and there are some around on the other side. It's just today. So that is the starter kit you're going to get for free. 3/8 impact wrench for $79, down from $99. And then same thing on this side with the angle grinder for the Bosch. You buy the tool for $139, get a free starter kit. And it does come with the X-Lock technology. Very easy to change the blade. Alright, so they got the flex deals here. For $119 you get the fan, bare tool. That's it right there. You got the sander for $149. You got the vacuum for $129. The finished nailer, 18 gauge for $279. Impact driver, drill driver for $143. These are RP brushless tools. And then these are all the new tools that I saw last week. I'm not going to go over all those. If you want to look at those, make sure you check out my last week's video for the lobes. But some more new tools here. You got $189 for this was a chop saw from the Cobalts. And then you got a chop saw from the DeWalt, $219. That is 14-inch. Quick change. A plain air there at the bottom for $349. That is Craftsman. You got a single speed grinder, 6-inch, $79. You got a Delta grinder, 6-inch, $98. It's very similar to the old one. $149 on this one. This one's an 8-inch, a little bigger. So these are all on clearance as well. They got the Carpenter's pouch, $12, down from. So on these you're gonna save some cents. Some of them are pretty good, like that one to the right, $11 down from $14. And then you got the drill holster. Save yourself a couple bucks on that one. Pocket nail bag, $7.97 down from $9. And then that's a Maintenance tool bag, $51. Not bad at all. It's pretty nice. It's not the biggest, but it works well. That's what it looks like. Really like the blue on the inside, because it's just easier to see your tools and what you have inside the tool bag. All right, you got this light. This is a really nice light. I actually ended up getting one of these for my work. $10 on clearance. 600 lumen, $10.97. That from $27.48. You got 450 lumen work light, $8.77. Not bad. They do come with cables to charge them. $69.98 for this roll. I really like this concept, because you're always having a mess with your extensions, especially us that don't know how to wind them back and keep things organized. All right, so $99 your choice on the left. There's pretty good deals. $169 there on the right. Impact driver and drill driver. And then I saw this. This was fairly new. It is a foldable portable workbench. 52-inch, 700-pound. Looks like it folds in the middle. I could not get it to fold, but according to this, it does fold. So it's just $239 on that one. If you want to save some space, or you want to just carry it around. You get the 4-drawer cart. This one's $249 from $269. Does come with different colors. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. There's some more clearance deals here, but I'm not going to go over all of them. Just so. That's it for today. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.